Okay, so I've given you this layout. It has 3 different shapes on each page. Okay, and I made them 3 different sizes. And so I have like a 6, a 4, and a 2. Okay, now it's very possible that if you don't like or you want to change this, that you could cut off like the ends of this. You could extend the piece, and I can show you how to do that later. But there are all kinds of really cool things that are in this that will allow you to kind of cut and trace and move things around. Okay, so if you want your word to have the perspective where it's pushed back, okay, if you want it to go from big to little, if you want it to curve, these are going to be things that are going to help you do that. Okay, different banners, different sizes. Okay, there's some little ones. But what you're going to do is you're going to cut those out. And so you're going to cut out the pieces that you think you like. Okay, and you might have to cut out some other ones because you want to say, well, what does it look like if I put this one here? Okay, instead, do I like it more like this? Do I like it more? You can flip it upside down. Would I rather it this way? I mean, this is kind of cool too. Maybe I want this to be curved and this one to be curved. So I would rather trace that one twice. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do to start, at least for this one, is to fold this in half. Okay, and give yourself a center to this paper. Okay, when we do our final one, once we pick between the 2 that we've made, we'll just draw this on. Okay, I do want you to write the quote up at the top. So, throw kindness around like confetti. Okay, so that's what I want to do. What I would be looking at is which words, because we don't want to have them all the same size, which words are the most important to you. Okay, and I would say pick 2 or 3. It kind of depends on what size your quote is. Okay. But I really think that kindness is important for me. Okay, I want that one to be emphasized. And then I think confetti is too. So I would like those to be bigger. If you look at the pieces that we have here, they also have like a middle line here. So you can put this like right in the center. Okay, and it will help center you on there. So if I want this one to be, I don't want throw to be as big. So I'm going to choose this one, throw, and then kindness. I really want the confetti part to be bigger. Okay. And then I'm just kind of stuck. What do I want to do with these little words? These words are not as important, but you need them there because you don't want throw, kindness, confetti. Like you need to have those in there. So this is where you can kind of mess with like replacing them with like other pieces. Okay, so I could cut out another one and see like what I think about like this one. Maybe this one will fit better. Okay, and then you might decide, let's see, I might do this. Or maybe I could flip this so then I have, okay, and then there are some pieces that taper both directions. Let's see if I have that one out. There are lots of pieces to this. I mean, there are 18 different ones and then there's 3 of each of them. So really look through, try and find, gosh, did I miss this shape I've got in my head? Maybe I've already cut it out. Oh, here's one. So then, I mean, maybe it's one like this that goes out both directions. Okay, that could be something that you use. And it could be that maybe this is going to be around and like. You know, it's going to have both words put on this line. Okay, and maybe I would want to have like a bigger section here. Okay, so I'm thinking throw kindness around like confetti. Okay, so I would want to like put this on and I'm saying, okay, this is the one that I want. Okay, this is how I like it. Okay, and I'm going to do this with a Sharpie just so you can see it a little bit better. But I would just take this, and I mean, you could do it with a marker too. Go around and trace on these, okay, and figure out, they're not going to be, especially with a marker, perfect. But this gives you like a preview of what is going to be there. Okay, so that would be one. Okay, this could be my next one. Okay, now it could be like, I don't like the thickness of this one. I want it to be bigger. You can like move this down. Okay, if you like evenly pull this down. Okay, and I've got the same on each side here. And I could draw another piece, and then I could connect these and make this a larger, oops, I didn't get that, a larger section, okay? And you could do the same thing, make it smaller, right? You could come up here and create this in a smaller piece. Okay, so you can adjust these. The other thing you could do, right, is cut these off or fold them over, okay, if you want something that is smaller. So you can adjust the templates that I've made. I just tried to make them all consistent and tried to make enough that you had some variety to work with. Okay, so, ooh, I did not guide my line on that. Okay, so this one, so this is just rough draft, and you don't have to be worried about this. Okay, you see these imperfections and things on there. It's not a big deal. This is a rough draft. So I want you to do this on 2 of them. So if you say, like, this was my top pick, I want you to also do your next one. If you never try, you'll never know. So I would do another one of that, and I would have 2 pictures to submit. What we want to do is make sure we're thinking about, like, font-wise. Do you want to make these all, like, cap? Okay, because it does change what things look like. Okay, it makes it a little bit more, like, bold. But they all, I mean, they could all be lowercase. Okay, so kind of think about that. I would roughly put in what you think you want this to look like. Okay, on where, at least for the banner, I'm not going all the way down to where these like little tails are, because there's that extra kind of like curve that's on there, where this is going to be. Okay, so something to think about, you might have to like put in so you can see it a little bit better. So I would pencil this in. This one has sections like we did with our brainstorming worksheet. You could, I mean, section this out, okay, where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you would give yourself 5 spaces to put this in. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that's roughly what it would look like. And then you can decide, well, I'm going to do, whoa. Okay, so I would like just roughly put in, throw. Sometimes when you're focused on the art part of it, the other part of it goes out the window. So make sure you're spelling them right. Kindness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 sections. At least with that, you can divide like evenly, but it doesn't mean that you have to. I mean, you could say, well, I want the K to be twice as big, and I'm going to smush the rest of it into the rest of the places. Okay, you can go outside of this box. Okay, if I was doing like the K on here, it could be one that, you know, is all curly, and, you know, it doesn't have to be something, it's just to get you in that general direction. So maybe I want that to be, but I'm going to do all these letters. My goodness, my head. is in like this section. Okay, this is just mapping things out. Okay, and maybe I want to have like over here, so L-I-K-E. I want this to be in a smaller font where it's not as noticeable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 for this, which I could divide in half and then divide in thirds and kind of look at this. So, but look what I did here. I don't have a space, right? So you got to make sure that you do that. Give yourself a space so it's going to, you're going to see it. Okay, and this is why it's nice to make these mistakes on this piece of paper, okay? Because then you figure out those things right now, and then you're going to have things planned out a whole lot better. Okay, so confetti, C-O-N-F-E-T-T-I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. Okay, so this one's, at least if I'm dividing them evenly. Okay, so I think at least for me, I would want this one to be caps. Okay, so this would be what I want you to do when you go home tomorrow for your homework. Okay, is to get a layout figured out. Kind of think about what you would want font-wise. That doesn't have to be like for sure. But think about, do I at least want it all caps? Do I want it a capital letter and the rest lowercase? Do I want them all lowercase? So at least get the capitalization on there correctly. Kind of divide things up how you think you want them. But I want this to be for 2 of them. Okay, so we are like paring down the ones that we like, okay? And then making something kind of rough drafts for both of those, okay? Okay.